So as you may or may not know, ceilings are never 100% straight. So you should never just start wallpapering from the corner and assuming it's straight. Or as you kind of go along in your panels, you'll start to see it slant a bit. So I'm going to show you what I do to make sure it's straight. You will need a level, pen or marker, and a measuring tape. There is other ways to do this. You can use a magnet or a plumb line and dangle the plumb line and get your straight line, but this is just how I do it. So I'm going to measure 45 centimeters out from this corner, and then I'm going to use my level to make sure I have a straight line, and then simply mark it with your marker or pen. So my first piece of wallpaper then, the right side of it is going to sit along this line. Sorry, the pen's green, it's really hard to see, but I have this straight line there. And the overlap will just go around the other corner, and then I will use a blade to take it off after.